Good day, everyone. I am Anabelia C. Doctor, and I am presenting the research paper entitled Development of a 3D Interactive Digital Directory, a Digital Transformation Approach to Innovate Wayfinding Navigation at LPU Cavite. As per mandated by the Commission on Higher Education here in the Philippines, under the Memorandum Order or CMO 2017, computer engineering should possess the ability to design computers, computer-based systems and networks that include both hardware and software, and their integration to solve novel engineering problems subject to trade-offs involving a set of completing goals and constraints. The design refers to a level of ability beyond assembling or configuring system. Wayfinding navigation tool nowadays is one of the most highlighted features in any establishment in different places. The wayfinding and navigation technologies used by many have evolved from simple maps into interactive digital contents, which allows the users to experience a real-life environment through virtual approach. This technology becoming increasingly important in assisting users with specific needs, such as visually or physically impaired individuals by helping them navigate obstacles and overcome architectural barriers. According to NATAPOV 2021, effective indoor wayfinding is essential for ensuring a safe and timely evacuation during emergency cases. This technology provides multiple benefits and features which promotes overall attractiveness of the public facilities and improve overall satisfaction of surrounding users according to ROCS 2020. LPU Cavite is a young and thriving higher education institution here in the Philippines, which established in 2008. In a short period, the university has gained an international recognition as one of the premier institutions in the country. As the population continues to grow, various additional facilities has been introduced. Consequently, navigating and locating university facilities, departments, offices, and classrooms in different areas has becoming challenging, particularly for newly enrolled students, newly hired employees, and to address these challenges, this study proposes an interactive digital directory that assists users in locating specific areas within the university using a 3D model approach with the utilization of text and voice command. This system has the following features such as an accurate campus navigation system, an estimated time display indicating how long it will take to reach the destination, a wayfinding smart search system that suggests possible locations based on user through text and voice command, highlighted emergency exits and fire extinguishers on each floor of the university buildings for emergency purposes, a system dashboards displaying reports on important transactions made, and a screensaver that plays videos related to university facilities. After the development, testing and validating the system's acceptability and efficiency followed. The evaluations of the system's performance based on the criteria from the ISO 25010, which specifically used functional suitability, performance efficiency, usability, and reliability criterion. Now, to ensure that the research desired and efficient outcomes, a design methodology was employed. This approach outlines the techniques used by the researchers, including the research design, research methodologies, requirement analysis, data collection, and decision-making processes, all of which significantly contributed to the study's intended result. Now, to achieve the study's objectives, the proponents followed the prototyping software development life cycle, specifically applicable to 3D animation, consisting of multiple stages that were strictly adhered to. Additionally, in building this, the outcome of this study, open source technology has been utilized by the researchers. To simplify the detailed 3D model of the university, the proponents utilized a 3D software visualization tool such as SketchUp and Twinmotion. Furthermore, all application features of this system are compatible with various browsers, including Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, and Firefox. To ensure that the developed applications meet the target performance, efficiency, and acceptability, the researchers conducted a series of tests in the different features of the developed software and performed validation based on the testing results. The proponents conducted actual system navigation from specified locations of the different buildings within the university to test the efficiency in terms of speed and the accuracy of each location displayed in a 3D animation, and how the search system works in a timely manner. Continuous testing was also performed using the Smart Search System features, both utilizing text and voice command at a time. And the time it took to process and check the system's performance was also recorded. The proponents conducted an experiment where 3 different people walked through the university and recorded the accuracy and time they started and arrived at each location. In evaluating the system, the researchers employed 2 approaches. First is presenting the system's full functionality to the evaluators, demonstrating its implementation at the security box and allowing them to use it personally for validation. Then second is the distribution of survey questionnaire, which is adapted from the ISO 25010 software quality model. The evaluators included the University Assistant Head of ICTD, the Physical Plant Facilities Management Director, the Security Office Detachment Commander, as well as visitors, students, and campus workers entering the campus. For the result of the study, let me show you a video that demonstrates the software.
Welcome to LPU Cavite. This is a place where you can easily lose yourself in its captivating architecture. The campus is a maze of beauty and wonder, inviting exploration at every turn. As you navigate through its pathways, you may find yourself getting lost in this maze. Fear not as we introduce you.
The LPU Cavite Interactive Digital Directory. Upon accessing the navigation system, you will be greeted with a slideshow containing the recent events and the updates in the campus. The Smart Search system allows the user to easily find the department or facility that he or she is looking for. In conjunction with the Smart Search system, a virtual keyboard is provided. Once the desired target location is chosen, a 3D pathfinding will commence, making it easier for the visitor to learn the way towards their destination. Aside from the 3D wayfinder, the starting point, endpoint, and the estimated time of arrival is also provided for each location. The user can also replay, pause, and speed up the pathfinding. safety feature will show the nearest fire exit point and the fire extinguishers using the target location as a reference. The 360 feature allows the user to have a 360 view access in the reference to the target location. We are De Leon, Matel, Mesolas, and Pulido from CPE 401. Thank you for
For the result of the testing, the researchers manually navigated various locations within the university premises to verify the system's location's accuracy and documented the arrival times at the location as shown in the table. The experiment involved 3 individuals, person 1, person 2, person 3, walking at a normal pace across the university while the researchers documented the time required to reach each destination. Due to variations in walking speed and stride length, the researchers calculated the average time, which was then integrated to the system. This method was implemented to assess and verify the system's location accuracy. The researchers also conducted an actual test of the application, and as presented in the table, the loading speed of various systems features including wayfinding animation, on-screen keyboard, safety module, 360 view, and information display. Each feature demonstrated an average loading time of less than 1 second, indicating high performance of the system. The test was conducted intentionally, measuring the loading speed of each features with 5 trials and recorded. The average loading times were calculated as follows: wayfinding animation with an average of 0.67 seconds, on-screen keyboard with 0.35 seconds, safety 0.50 seconds, 360-degree view 0.46 seconds, and information display of 0.52 seconds. These results confirm that all system features function smoothly without errors or delays during the operation. With the continuous development of LPU Cavite, locating certain offices, rooms, and specific areas become challenging. But with the implementation of digital directory in the university, it will aid users' navigation more easily, an excellent tool designed to enhance the real experience of stakeholders. The university projects a modern and professional image, and with an overall mean score of 3.7619, which indicates that the evaluators strongly agree with the application. The application can load up and continue searches with below 0.7 seconds in response, which demonstrates a fast load process. Based on feedback gathered from evaluators, the following recommendations are made. First, further updates to the 3D models of the buildings and to the wayfinding animations, inclusion of elevator usage in the wayfinding animations, enhancement of the wayfinding animations, increased system flexibility, and implementation of background music during the wayfinding animation, along with addition of splash images or shortcut buttons on the homepage to make the system more interactive and engaging for users. These are some of the pictures of our students during actual presentation to the respondents, and the picture of our institution who highly acknowledge and proudly announce to the world through social media about the project of our students. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much and have a nice day.